start off by saying, or wishing you all a very, very happy new year, 2020, new decade. Yeah, I hope you have a healthy, happy, prosperous one. We're here. This is the video blog of the building of this boat. We're 2 years and 3 months into the build, roughly speaking. Progressing nicely. Obviously Christmas conveniently coincides with the coldest part of the year, or potentially the coldest part of the year at least. So you know, progress sometimes a bit intermittent, but we've been getting on. We've done quite well. Let's have a look at what we've done. So you remember from last time we were fitting these doors, so I've got that door fitted. So obviously the next step was to get these two here in position. These are all hinged doors. This has got some bolts on this one. There we go, hinged doors with bolts. And I fitted these catches. If you can get in closer, I don't know if you can or not. These little catches, they're fairly cheap, but it's a rotary catch, so you rotate the knob. You can see how that works. Pretty straightforward. So those catches. So these doors are hinged, but this one here, if you come down here, this is what I describe as a Scott-style drop-out board. So this board, catch opens like that. And look at that magic. Very, very simple, beautifully simple technique. Drops. And there we go. So that's what we've got there for the under the stove access there. Galley's pretty much done for now. Trim to come on over all these corners. I think I'll probably stain it. I've got some it's here actually. got some cherry coloured wood stain, German, but cherry colour. I think I'm going to stain it with that. The top will be formicated, so that's still to come. But I think the front, I think I may well stain it with that cherry colour and then varnish. The other big thing we've been doing recently is working on the floorboards. You may notice, I always had some boards down, but they were sort of roughly in position. And you may notice now, perhaps if you scan around, Hazel, that we are boarded all the way through. Yeah, even under the nav table there. That's my shadow. That's a decent size. And these are done in a way that side sections are fixed in position. Obviously, it needs some lift out hook. These centre panels lift out, lift out. So I have some finger hooks for lifting them, but at the moment, you get the idea. There we go, so lift out bits. Which means that these fixed panels at the side, if they butt up against the bulkhead, like there for example, there's a batten along flush with the edge, and obviously where the dropping panel goes, you've got this batten protruding beyond the edge for it to sit on. Made them all really solid. They're just 1/2 inch ply, remember, but they feel really up to the job. Solid. Then they will be finally covered with a wood finish. I'm toying with the idea of using cork, but toying. That's not a decision by any means. Certainly a wood, varnished wood cabin sole. Yeah, 2020 goals. Well, let me say this straight out, plain speak. I do not anticipate finishing this build in 2020. My goals for 2020 are to get this boat as close to being finished as possible. Yeah, probably, if all goes well, keel, rudder, exterior, large fittings still to go. As close as possible in 2020. I anticipate, oh, this is a dangerous one, I anticipate and hope to launch in 2021. He said it. Let's see what happens. Well, I guess that's about it for this week, guys. Big thank you for watching. Also, massive thank you to every one of you. You know who you are, who support us on Patreon. Monthly donations as little as $1 a month. Yeah, thanks to you guys. And equally, big thank you to the 2 people who support me via PayPal or support these videos via PayPal. Also send monthly donations via PayPal. You know who you are, you two. Thank you very much. Warms me, really. And see you next time, I guess.